Welcome to Tech Brothers Dhamir. In this video, we are going to learn about offset in PySpark. The offset function is used to skip a number of rows before starting to return results from a data frame. It is commonly used with order by and limit for pagination and partial data fetching. So here is my sample data, and you can see that I have name, department and salary, and then here I'm creating my data frame df by using create data frame function, and we are using this data right here, and then a list of the columns for the schema. Now once the data frame will be created, we will be able to see the results. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the results because then when we write our offset function, you will have some idea what exactly it's going to do. Now if you see right there, we have name, department and salary, and here is our salary not in the order at all. So this is 10,000, 7,000, 8,000. So this is all in the random order. Now let's say if I want to skip some rows, so maybe I want to do order by salary and just ascending or descending. Maybe let's do descending. Okay, so we do a descending order of a salary, and then top two rows I would like to skip, then I would like to get only 3 rows. In that case, offset can help me do that. So see right there, we are skipping first 2 rows after sorting the value of salary, then take the 3 next rows like pagination right here. So here is our paginated data frame, and I said the df data frame, the original one, dot order by on what column? Salary, and then ascending is equal to false. So that means I'm sorting the salary by descending. And then I said offset 2, that means leave the first 2 records as is, don't touch them, but take the next 3 records by limit 3. So that's what I'm doing here. If I execute this one, you will see I will get 3 records, and you can see right there. So we took this one and this and this, so 3 records, but top 2 records are gone. So it skipped 2 records and then start taking 3. Now this might be confusing. Let's say I want to do actually in offset I'm going to do 0. So then you will see, and then the limit I will do maybe 30. I want to get all the records because I don't have 30, but I'm getting everything. So I want to show you actually the data frame. So see right there, that's the data frame we had where we applied the sort. So see right there, 10,000, 9,500. So we skipped these 2 rows by offsetting 2, and then we got these 3 values were we got them. Okay, now that's exactly what we did right here. Okay, so when we did 2, skip 2 rows and give me the 3. Then if I want to go other way around, let's say if I would like to sort by the salary and then skip, let me say if I want to do ascending. Now if I want to just don't select these 2, but I would like to select these 3, then I can do that as well. So first of all, I will sort by the salary ascending, and then I will go from there. So to sort in ascending, we can do it through here, and now if I run it, it's going to sort by salary ascending, then skip 2 records, and you can see that now it skipped 2, then it started giving us those 3 records after that. So this is how you will use the offset to get the required output that's needed. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will put this code in the description so you can test different scenarios. I will see you guys in the next video.